Have you ever gotten an email or text that just felt a little off? A message from your bank or Amazon that asks you to click a link right away? That feeling of uncertainty is exactly why we need to talk today. Because we're not reviewing a single gadget. Instead, we're tackling something far more important, the common tech mistakes to avoid after 60. So, is this just another video meant to scare you? Absolutely not. I've spent hours digging through security reports, AARP articles, and hundreds of real stories on online forums to bring you the full, honest truth about the biggest risks and, more importantly, the simplest ways to stay safe. The basics. Why this matters. So what are we really talking about here? We're talking about the small habits and blind spots that scammers and tech troubles prey on. This video is for you if you use a smartphone, a computer, or a tablet to bank, shop, or connect with your family. It's for anyone who wants to feel confident and in control while using the technology that's become a part of our daily lives. The pro tips: staying safe from outsiders. Based on all the research, the number one danger isn't a virus, it's deception. The biggest mistake people make is trusting unexpected messages. This is called phishing. Scammers will send you an email or a text that looks like it's from a company you trust, like your bank, Medicare, or Amazon. It will have an urgent warning like your account is locked or suspicious activity detected. The goal is to get you to panic and click their link. The simple, powerful fix that foils almost every one of these scams is to slow down and never use their link. If you get an email from your bank, close it. Open a new window, go to your bank's website yourself, and log in there. If the message was real, the alert will be waiting for you on the official site. The honest truth: mistakes we make ourselves. But no guide is complete without looking at our own habits. The next mistakes are about securing our own digital front door. A common issue that comes up again and again in security articles is password weakness. If you're using simple passwords like your pet's name, your birthday, or worse, the same password from multiple websites, you're leaving the door wide open. The solution is stop thinking of it as a password and start using a passphrase. For example, instead of Fluffy, use a phrase only you would know, like, "My cat Fluffy loves tuna too." It's long, complex, and almost impossible for a computer to guess, but it's still easy for you to remember. Using a unique passphrase for each important site, like banking and email, is one of the most powerful things you can do. Finally, the third mistake mentioned everywhere is ignoring those update notifications on your phone, tablet, or computer. It's easy to hit "Remind me later," but here's the honest truth. Those updates aren't just for new features. More often than not, they contain critical security patches that fix loopholes hackers have discovered. Ignoring an update is like knowing one of your windows has a broken lock and just hoping nobody notices. The simple fix is to go into your settings and turn on automatic updates. Let your device protect itself so you don't have to think about it. The final verdict: who this advice is for. So, to sum it all up, this isn't about becoming a tech expert. It's about building a few simple, powerful habits. This advice is for the person who wants to feel empowered, not intimidated. If you want to confidently delete a suspicious email without a second thought, this is for you. If you want the peace of mind that comes from having strong, memorable passphrases, this is for you. And if you want your devices to stay secure without you having to constantly worry about them, this is for you. This isn't about fear. It's about giving you the confidence to enjoy all the good things technology has to offer safely. If this advice was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And be sure to subscribe for more simple, honest tech guides. And for the comments, I'd love to know what's one piece of tech advice you'd give to a friend. Let's share our knowledge and help each other out. Just a quick note, Our channel is supported by viewers like you and sometimes through affiliate links for products we review. There are no links for this one. It's just honest advice from us to you. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.